Welcome, today I am with Gigabyte Aorus Fi27Q monitor and I want to show you how you can enable or disable gaming crosshair. So at the first you have to go under this LED indicator and click once on the button that you will find. Okay, next we have to go for the game assist when this floating menu shows, and then when the HardReset.Info is selected you have to go below for the crosshair and then click on the right to enter, and as you can see we got style 1 and there's also the custom. So when you pick the custom, honestly nothing changed, so it looks like we cannot customize this option, but for some reason it's called custom, so never mind. But if you want to enable this one, this style 1, click to select, then you have to go back, and as you can see right now in this place the crosshair appears on the screen. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.